Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Wi-Fi tethering option in the Mi10i device. So in few of these mobile phones, there will be an option called the Wi-Fi tethering friends. So not only from the mobile hotspot, you can actually tether the Wi-Fi network using your smartphone itself. So this is the first time I did find out in the Realme X device. So this is a Realme X smartphone. So this is the first time where I found the option, and later on I did find in the Redmi K20 Pro, and from then I'm seeing this kind of option Wi-Fi tethering in most of the mid-range to premium end smartphones as well. And few of the companies, they will try to include in all the models like Realme phones. So they did have the Wi-Fi tethering in Realme X2, Realme X2 Pro, X7 Pro, and most of the smartphones. Even though Redmi and Poco, they are trying to implement that Wi-Fi tethering option. And in this video, I'll try to give a demonstration whether you can actually tether the Wi-Fi in the Mi10i device or not. As you can see friends, so this is a Mi10i device. So let's see whether you can do that in this phone or not. And in case if you want to know more details about this Mi10i device, and if you are seriously looking into buying this phone, so you must watch the playlist before buying this phone. So there's a particular playlist which are created for the Mi10i users only, so make sure to check the links in description friends. So the links will be available in the description below. Try to click the link and you will find the playlist, and that will be helping you a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy this phone or not. Even for the live wallpapers, playlist also will be there in the description. And first thing, you need to go to the settings, and once you're in the settings, go to the connection and the sharing option. So is the connection and the sharing, as you can see here friends. So next there's an option called the portable hotspot, as you can see here, portable hotspot. So now I did turn on the Wi-Fi network, you can clearly see here. So whenever you turn on the portable hotspot, the Wi-Fi network will be turned off in the normal phones. So if the Wi-Fi tethering is not supported, so immediately as soon as I turn on this one, the Wi-Fi will get disconnect. So let's see friends whether that's happening or not right now. As you can see, it did not happen. So that means in this Mi10i device, as you can see friends clearly, this is a Mi10i. So in this Mi10i, you can actually do the Wi-Fi tethering option. That's a really good advanced feature friends. Most of the users, they don't realize how much important it is. So this is a really useful feature. So in most of my mobile phones, if I have this Wi-Fi tethering, most of the time I'll try to use this kind of feature. So for example, if my friends or anyone whoever visit my home, and if they want a Wi-Fi network as a emergency case, then I'll try to not give the Wi-Fi password. So it's not secure to give the Wi-Fi router password. So what I'll try to do, every time I'll try to create the hotspot, and this hotspot I can use my own password which is different from the Wi-Fi router. So this is how I'll be sharing my Wi-Fi router internet connection with this phone to the other users or whoever necessary, whoever required. So these are definitely friends must try feature in the Mi10i device, not only in this phone. So this kind of feature may be present in your smartphone as well. So just in case, go to the portable hotspot and try to turn on. So if the Wi-Fi is not disconnected, then that means you can actually tether the Wi-Fi network, and whenever your friends comes to your home or anyone, so you can just turn on the portable hotspot and you can give your own password, not the Wi-Fi router password, so as a security reason. So this can be really helpful feature. So do let me know in the comments below friends, what are your thoughts, and is it helpful for you or not. But for me, it's really helpful. So just by sharing the QR code, as you can see, just by sharing the QR code, and doesn't matter, just any phone which supports the QR coding scan will detect automatically. Sometimes some phones will detect and some phones will not detect. So this is a OnePlus Nord, so sorry, OnePlus 80 device. I think this phone is not detecting. So maybe the Redmi and the Poco phones, they will automatically detect in the camera, as you can see here. So they detected, and they gave the barcode symbol as well. So now I can connect directly to this Wi-Fi tethering hotspot which I created using from the Poco X3 using the Mi10i 5G, as you can clearly see here friends. So this is how you can do Wi-Fi tethering, and which is really helpful in the emergency situation, not giving the password. And that's it friends, is a quick review on this one, Wi-Fi tethering. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.